How to import token in Tonkeeper wallet. Now, in order to import token, the first thing that you need to do is to simply launch your Tonkeeper mobile application. Now, importing the token is quite easy. You just have to simply have any other exchanges or any other wallets from which you can easily withdraw any of the tokens of your choice, and you can send it in your Tonkeeper wallet. But in order to import the token, you need to have the QR code and the deposit address ready. So in order to find the deposit address, you need to tap on the receive option on the home page of your Tonkeeper wallet, and this is basically the QR code as well as the deposit address of yours. So you just have to simply copy this address from here, and now you can use this address in order to import any of the tokens of your choice from any other exchanges by using the withdrawing option in that exchange. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.